Hello everybody, today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve your LinkedIn app. To know how to fix or how to solve your LinkedIn, you should just go to settings. Here in this page we click apps, default apps, app settings. After that, in this list you will enter to the window of LinkedIn and we click here in this page. Then this page of app info, we click on first stop and we click OK. Here in this page we click on the window of storage. Then we click clear cache. Here we go to click on Play Store. As you see, we'll enter. Then this list of app info. Here in this Play Store, you will search about LinkedIn, and if you will find in this blue sign update, you can click to update your application to fix your problem that you have. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video, and thank you for your attention and your watching.